Everyone, my name is Crystal and today I will be discussing my chosen answers for performance tasks in mathematics. So the first thing I answered was A in the letter A, which is this. The first thing I did was separate the triangles so that it would be easier for me to distinguish everything. So I first put first triangle. This is put there, and other triangle, and we just make sure that it is aligned and every letter and given is there. So it's like that. So for my second chosen answer for letter A was D. So this is it. So with this, it was a lot harder for me to understand. So I did my own type of method so I won't get confused. So I labeled them like an imaginary label them so that it will be easier for me to answer them. So I already separated the two triangles and make sure the given is there already. So then I'm going to put the division form. Let me just give me a second. E, C, A, B over equals to F, G, E, F. So after you do that, I would just substitute it already to the given, which is 44 over 44 equals X over 92. So that's how I do it. You can use GCF, but I find it much easier to just cross multiply them. So that's much easier for me to do. That's how I did it. So the answer would be X measurement is 92. That's the equals of it. So that's how I got it. So this was my own type of way to answer it. It's just labeling it, but I don't really put it, so you can do it on your own way. So that's how I got my answer. Got it. For letter B, this is the first question that I answered, is A. So what I did here is also separate the two triangles. So it'd be much easier for me to do. So let me just put on the givens. 4 and 80. I make sure everything is okay. G, H. Their similar vertex is G, this G here. Then the first thing I do is make sure to put them in H, G over IE equals to G, T, E, G. Like so. Then after I do is to substitute it already with the given in answer. So it's 80 over 60 equals X over 40. Again, what I did here is the easiest way I think to solve it. It's just cross multiply that. After so, the answer would be in the similar form is 53.3. And for what I think here, it's not similar because there's no congruent sides for each one. There's no like same congruent, so that's my answer, is not similar. So that is my answer. Got it. So for the last question that I chose letter B, which I think is the easiest one for me. So the first thing I did is choose which sides is the smallest number. So it's 10 and 16, so I already wrote it. 10 over 16. Then we'll go smallest to biggest on this. So the next one is here, down. 15 over 24 equals 20 over 32. So that's how I did it. Then I calculate them individually to see their fraction form. So 0.6 equals 0.6 equals 0.6. So that's how I did it. So I could know that they're similar because they're all congruent sides. And for that, it is side-side theorem. So this is an example of side-side theorem. And that is all. Thank you.